Hi there, I'm Morgan Weldrick and I'm the interior designer on this project. This home is located in beautiful Maple Ridge at the foot of the Golden Ears Mountains. We did a complete renovation on this home and I can't wait to show it to you. Come on inside and take a look. This home was basically a blank slate. There wasn't anything in particular that the clients wanted to keep. We didn't do any major overhauls. We did some minor reconfiguration of the floor plan, but essentially the footprint of the home has stayed exactly the same. The clients really wanted to create a great room space at the back of their home that tied in with their rear deck. They're backing on green belt, so they really love the indoor-outdoor access. And they wanted to create a space where everybody could congregate and be together while mom's cooking, the kids are playing on the TV, things like that. We relocated the kitchen to the formal dining space. We moved the table area to what was once the kitchen. We closed off the front room, which used to be the formal living room, and we created a music room for them. The client's personal taste was quite clean and modern, yet warm. They didn't want to come home to a cold house, but they wanted finishes that were easy to maintain, and they definitely leaned more towards a warm palette. So we introduced natural walnut on the floor and in the kitchen elements. We've got a nice bright white kitchen, easy clean and fairly classic, and then we've paired that with a lot of yellow details and some natural stone elements. We've got a stone veneer on both the fireplaces, and we've paired that with a backsplash that has natural stone elements and copper detailing as well. Due to the original 90s floor plan of this home, there were a lot of 45-degree angles in awkward spaces that didn't really make sense. So when we drafted the as-built plans, we were able to look at how we can reconfigure those and eliminate them to make a more fluid floor plan. There were awkward angled closets in the foyer that we've addressed and squared off. It also allowed us to square off the powder room space. When we first got into the home to have a look around, it was showing a lot of wear and tear from the tenants. So we knew as a team that we needed to address that and really zhuzh up the place for the clients as they were moving home. So we wanted to make sure that what we gave them was a comfortable home that they'd be happy to come to. The thing I'm most proud of in this design is actually the kitchen. The clients were really open to suggestion of multiple materials. selected a custom color for the yellow elements, and I loved how they allowed me to pair that with the walnut and give it basically a three-tone kitchen. I think it's a fun, modern, elegant look to it.